Hey guys, this is Arvind and in this video we'll be expanding f of x is equal to x in the range of minus pi to pi on Fourier series. Its diagram is given, which is nothing but a sawtooth wave. The Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. We need to find a naught, an and bn. Since f of x is an odd function, a naught and an are 0. So we need to find only bn. Bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x is given by x, and we are substituting that. Since we have two functions x and sin nx, integration by parts. We are putting u is equal to x and dv is equal to sin x dx. Differentiating u, we will be getting du is equal to dx, and integrating dv we will be getting v, which is nothing but minus cos nx, and we will be differentiating nx and put it in the denominator, so it is divided by n. Now substituting these values, we will be getting 2 by pi u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Substitute this in this formula, minus x cos nx divided by n in the limit 0 to pi minus integral 0 to pi minus cos nx dx. Now we are taking the constant outside of the integral. Now we will be getting minus x cos nx divided by n in the limit 0 to pi minus 1 by n. Integrating cos nx, we will be getting sin nx. It is given by minus sin nx divided by n in the limit 0 to pi. 2 by pi. Now when we are substituting the limit pi and 0, sin n pi and sin 0 is equal to 0. Therefore this term would get vanished. Now substituting the values, we will be getting minus pi cos n pi divided by n and while we are putting 0, this term does not exist, and therefore while continuing we will be getting minus 2 pi cos n pi divided by n pi. Pi and pi would get cancelled. Cos n pi is given by minus 1 power n. Now we are writing minus 2 as plus 2 into minus 1, and cos n pi is given by minus 1 power n, the whole divided by n. Now adding the powers, we will be getting 2 by n minus 1 power n plus 1. So the respective Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to 2 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n plus 1 sin nx divided by n.